you notice my Android phone is actually on my screen, on my okay,
What?
right?
Oh.
So basically, this is my phone. No? Would you like this to experience how your Android phone can be seen in your PC or laptop? Then this is the tutorial for you. Right? That's for
Yeah.
example.
Yes, you're playing.
That's for example. Uh, you have your you want to instead from your Android point you want to play right at your desktop using your plants and zombies and the rest of the gang. And at any rate, but that's not the tutorial how to play. Our tutorial is how to screen capture your Android phone to your PC so that you can use it for the camera, of course, no? See this? Uh, so you can now have the picture and you can reverse the picture to front, the video to front. Okay. How we gonna do this? That is the tutorial for today. Okay? Keep watching. Now, okay, all you have to do is open your any browser. In my case, I use Opera because Mini Opera is Opera as a browser works in the Philippines so well. So I searched from the Google. My friend told me to search for SCRCPY, and I type SCRCPY download and Google search, and fortunately I found this one, SCRCPY control your Android phone from PC. Right click it, then this was the address provided to me. Now, SCRCPY control your Android phone from PC, Windows, Linux, Mac. No? But for this purpose, we will only concentrate on Windows. Right? So basically, this is what we have seen earlier, no? This guy was able to bring his Android phone to his PC. Okay? So time needed 5 minutes accordingly. What is SCRCPY? It is an open source tool that can display and control Android phones on a computer. It supports USB and Wi-Fi connection as well as Windows, Mac, OS, and Linux. It can record screen and support Wi-Fi control. No need to install any application on the phone, no root, but need ADB tool. So you have to download the ADB tool. This is a free Android phone controller for PC, very light in weight, which after successfully installing and setting up will mirror or project your Android smartphone display on a computer screen. Accordingly, the frame per second is uses stream smartphone display will be between 30 to 60 frame per second. SCRCPY supports full SD resolution, that is 1920 by 1080 and above. Okay, sorry for that. My kid here are with me. As for the developers of this Android control program, it has a low latency rate which of 35 and 70 meters per second, which is true. We experienced the same while doing this tutorial. Whereas the time it takes to deliver the first image on the computer screen of your smartphone is 1 second. That's fine. That's good. Okay? So That's basically SCRCPY, no? It's a remote display control Android phone. So, in other words, you can detect, no, what is your kids playing while you're you are using the SCRCPY. You can control the cell phone of your of the one that is being used by your uh, kid. Now, requirement for SCRCPY. The only things required by the SCRCPY to use are at least an Android of 5.0 version and of course enameling of ADB debugging. We will try to see how this will be done right in your cell phone. Okay? So all you have to do is download and use SCRCPY on Windows 10, 8, or 7. This Android control from PC application is available for Windows in both 32-bit and 64-bit version. The download's SCRPY file format will be in zip. Just extract it to use this tool. Now, I really thank the one who posted this information because the link is provided. So you can download from this link. Let's try. Let's wait for a while. Okay. So you are to download this fixed bitrate passing. Okay. So when you download this, okay. So you are to download depending on what kind of system or operating system you're using. In my case, I download this Windows 64 version 1.121. Okay. I'll just click it. So it's downloading. Alright? It's downloading now. Thanks God, at least in my system, I can download at almost 1 Mbps or 22 MB at certain minutes. That's the problem in our network system. No? Okay. So after downloading this, okay, example, you have finished downloading. So I have now the file in my this one. So all you have to do is right click this and extract. Alright, extract. In my case, if you open new, let's try in a new what's this? Okay, in our desktop, for example. Okay, there you are. So extract all. So you have this SCRCPY Win64. Okay? So you have all the much needed program files. All you have to do is copy this, and create a folder in your hard disk C. Okay? You create new and type mirror. Alright? You have to create a folder in your C drive and name that folder as mirror, for example. Okay. There you are. And copy paste the program files that we have downloaded earlier. Okay? So it's done. Now, how would you access that mirror? You have to create a batch files. Okay. You have to create a batch files. I'd like to show to you the one that I have created. Okay? You see, there's no batch file here. No. Usually the batch file, the ending is BAT. None, right? None. So, I typed earlier and included it in my C drive mirror, this mirror and SCRPI. Okay? How did I do this? I simply type start, space, forward slash, mean, space, C, capital C, okay, colon, then the word mirror, and the, you have to type it correctly, okay, using your Microsoft, your notepad. Then just file save as, right? Now change it to all files, then you type the name mirror and save. So that is now a batch files. You also create a new file that will run this srpy, no, which is also a batch file, no. So this must be the contain, no, cd. Okay, just type this, and the same thing, you also save that as all files, then of course the name scrpy, and save. Okay, so as such, you can now open your mirror. Just open your mirror and this will pop up. Alright, so you have now your cell phone screen on the PC, right? This is now your cell phone screen on the PC, on your laptop also. Okay, so you can watch, no, what is your son is doing or anybody, okay, using that one. Okay. All right, let's play plant versus zombies. Anyway, just for fun, just for an example, while waiting for it to be downloaded. Okay, you see, you can now see what is being shown in your right in your cell phone, Android phone, in your screen, no. So you can really monitor what is your son doing with your cell phone using the scrcpy or the mirror screening, no? That's nice. Okay, if you would notice, you can also control this using your mouse. You see my mouse, I'm going to press this, I can control. Okay, oh, that's the mouse, I did not touch the screen. Or you can directly also touch the screen. Okay, okay, or using your mouse. So basically your child can play their favorite games, or they can watch whatever they want to watch in your cell phone. Okay, while you can monitor what they are watching right in your desktop. Just place there a space where you can see, well, expect for a 1 second lag between your desktop, your PC screen, and their smartphone. What I'm trying to say is you can monitor what they are watching while you are doing your thing. At any rate, I want to show my let's go back to my Droid cam. So that's all for the tutorial for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and hope to have more of this video and some of these videos. And please subscribe. No, please subscribe. Just click that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.